I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both applications so data flows immediately. Install Simhub and Assetto Corsa, then confirm both are the same bitness. This avoids driver and plugin mismatches. Once done, open Assetto Corsa's plugins folder and enable the UDP/Simhub plugin by placing the provided DLLs there. Make sure to run Simhub as administrator so it can bind to ports. You'll know it's correct when Simhub's telemetry tab shows live RPM, speed, and gear signals. Then move to profile setup. You now build a dedicated profile that matches your hardware and the only way setup. Create a new profile named clearly and map telemetry channels. Assign RPM, speed, gear, steering, brake, and throttle to the right widgets or hardware outputs. Then tune smoothing and scaling so inputs aren't jittery. Adjust axis dead zones to eliminate drift. Save incremental versions as you change values so you can revert. Once mappings read correctly in telemetry preview and outputs move with wheel and pedals, proceed to output assignments. Finish by assigning outputs to actual devices and validating under load. Map LED, button boxes, dash screens, or motion outputs in Simhub, then run in-game test sessions while watching Simhub's live preview. Make sure telemetry-driven events trigger the correct device and adjust timing or scaling if animations lag. If things go wrong, first check firewall rules, run Simhub as admin, and ensure no other app is binding the same UDP port. Finally, verify the Assetto Corsa plugin version matches Simhub to eliminate protocol errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.